Hey guys. Oh, I feel like my camera's not right. It's just gonna have to do. I feel like it's like lopsided. It's so lopsided. Let me try and fix it. Is that better? I don't even think that's better. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing my December goals. Obviously, I don't have any lashes on today. Sorry that I've been a little bit absent on YouTube. I got tonsillitis and I haven't had it since I was like really young, so I don't remember much about it. But yeah, it turns out it's really awful. Who knew? Yeah, so that was a thing. I was completely out for like a week and then yeah, I've just been getting back on top of things. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I checked my November goals. Forgot to write them down apparently, so God knows what my goals were last month. And for December, I just checked my goals, like my yearly goals, and it doesn't look like we're gonna reach any of them, which is like kind of eh. In saying that, I feel like I based a lot of my goals off things to do with social media, and I feel like I've learned a lot, and next year I think I'll be structuring my goals more, not on like followers or like subscribers or anything like that, but kind of more like what I can do. Like I can't make someone follow me or like my video, but I can make good content or like better my content so more people want to follow me and like my stuff. Does that make sense? So I think next year I'm going to focus more on what I can do and judge my milestones and stuff by what I'm doing, not by what they're receiving. Does that make sense? Anyway, for December, I've got some stuff going on that I won't speak about yet. Some big stuff happening, but I will tell you about it when it's all said and done. I know, I hate when people say that, but yeah. Anyway, so basically for this month, I don't know if I'm gonna set like an actual goal. I am doing Vlogmas, so I'm just going to focus on doing Vlogmas. I really want to try and post for the rest of the month because obviously I've already missed like a week or whatever because I was just really unwell, and I would like to focus on my Patreon. I still have not uploaded to Patreon and it's really annoying. I didn't upload on it last month, so I've got some videos filmed for Patreon, so I really just want to focus on getting that done. In saying that, it's December. There's so much going on, so I'm just going to try not to be too hard on myself. But yeah, I would really like to complete Vlogmas, and I'd like to post on Patreon at least one video a week. That is like my goal. And to post on YouTube every day and not miss another upload. But yeah, we're coming to the end of the year. I'm going to start working on my goals for 2025. I think that, yeah, next year I'm going to approach things differently and not so much worry about views and likes and things like that. Like obviously that is like the goal, I guess, because obviously more followers, more views, more likes is more traction, which means that, you know, it can become a career. Obviously you need people watching you and things if I want to turn this into a career, but I think I need to start focusing on myself and what I'm putting out rather than, yeah, like how it's being received in a sense. So just making sure that I'm leveling up my content and all that kind of stuff. I really want to put some more focus into the house and things like that next year. I'd really like to start showing you guys a bit more of me, I think, like who I actually am, like my personality and things like that. I've been watching some kind of new people on YouTube and stuff. It's been really refreshing just to watch people kind of in a natural setting, and I'd like to also kind of have my content like that. Like, don't get me wrong, I feel like I'm pretty authentic, but I feel like there are little quirks and things that I kind of hide from my channel because I feel like I kind of treat this as though it's a job, so I like to be a little bit more professional, but I think that I also want to kind of try and let you guys see me a bit more. But anyway, yeah, so my kind of like set goals are post on Patreon every Sunday of December, do Vlogmas, and post on YouTube every day till the end of the year. So yeah, that is December, guys. I can't believe that we're almost at the end of the year. It's crazy. But anyway, thank you for watching, and yeah, let me know down below if you have any goals for the rest of the year. I'd love to know, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.